Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make English muffins. So let's start. So we need 3/4 cup of milk, half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 3 tablespoons of butter. And we are going to warm this up in the microwave for 1 minute. Here is our lukewarm butter and milk mixture. Now I'm going to add 2 1/4 teaspoon of dry yeast and let it rise for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. It's nice and frothy. Now we are going to add 1 room temperatured egg. And here we have 360 grams of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And we are going to mix it. We are going to pour this in the flour and start mixing again. As you can see, our dough is very sticky. We are just going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. And I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of flour. Our dough is ready, and we are going to transfer this dough in a new bowl, and we are also going to grease this bowl. We are going to cover this with saran wrap and with kitchen towel, and we are going to let it rise for a couple of hours. So it's been a few hours. So we are going to dust our surface with flour, and we are going to take it out carefully, and we are going to sprinkle more flour on top of our dough because it's quite sticky, and pat it down into a circle. We want about 1 inch of thickness. We need baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and we are also going to sprinkle some cornmeal or semolina onto the parchment paper. And now we are going to cut this into a circle. Pick up carefully like this. Lay it on the tray. Cover them with saran wrap and let them rise for 25 to 30 minutes. So it's been half an hour. So now we need non-stick skillet. Turn your heat on low. When we feel heat from this distance, then our pan is ready. And on our pan, we are going to sprinkle some cornmeal. Our pan is ready. And we are going to cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. It's time to flip them over and cover them again for 3 to 4 minutes. This is ready. And continue this process. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe and enjoy.